Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel One S, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously you want to open up Settings, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Once you do, it will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your photos, music, user data, downloaded apps, and so on. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll just lose it permanently. And assuming you have already made a backup of it, or you simply don't want to, then select Reset Phone. If you have some kind of screen protection on your device, screen lock, you will need to confirm it. I do have a pattern, so there we go. And then select Reset. Now this will take probably a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.